Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add or pin Show Desktop icon to Windows 10 taskbar. By default, Windows ships with a Show Desktop button at the extreme far right corner on the taskbar that you can use to minimize all the opened window at once by clicking on this one button, and again click on the same button to maximize all opened windows. And in case you will just hover mouse over this one show desktop button, all opened windows will be transparent and you can see the desktop. And when you will move this one mouse from the show desktop button, all the opened windows will appear again. In case it looks like too tiny or you can't use this one button, then you can create a separate show desktop button and pin it to the taskbar. For this, right click on the free space on the desktop and here select new and then select this one shortcut option. In this one location box, you need to copy and paste this one command that you can find in this video description also. And after pasting this one command, click on this one next button, then name it show desktop, and then click on this one finish button. By default, it looks like File Explorer button, so you will be unable to differentiate it. To set a different icon, right click on this one desktop shortcut and select this one properties option. Then click on this one change icon button. Now select a different icon for show desktop button and then click on this one OK button. Then click on this one apply button, then click on this one OK button. Now select this one show desktop shortcut icon and drag it to the taskbar. When you see pin to taskbar, lift your finger from the mouse and now open a few windows. To minimize all the windows at once, just click on this one show desktop button in the Windows 10 taskbar, and to maximize those opened windows, again click on this one show desktop button that will be maximized, that will maximize all the windows simultaneously.